everyone, this is Becky with Scott Leroy Marketing, and today I want to show you how you can create a social post campaign through Command. So the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm signed into Command, which is agent.kw.com, signed in with my KW login credentials. And now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go over to our marketing applet. It's this megaphone or bullhorn on the left-hand side. Click on that. And then we're just going to go into the social post section here. We can also just click create social post right here. Either works just fine. We're going to go into social posts and we'll go ahead and click create social post here. Now there's a couple different places we can do that. We can go down here and create one for tomorrow. We can switch to a month view and see any that are scheduled ahead of time. We should be able to click on that date and it will allow us to create a campaign in the future there. So we'll go down here. That's today. So we'll go down to August and we could say August 10th, we wanted to create it and it would set up the scheduling post here. So we can do that, or you can just go ahead and click create social post right here. You'll go in, you will select the profiles, the social accounts that you want to post to. So we can set our Facebook, we can set up our Instagram or our Twitter or X. We can go in and add those in here. I'm going to go ahead and we'll do all three. Now you do have to go ahead and connect those profiles first. If you haven't done that already, feel free to check out our tip video that walks you through how to do that, on how to connect those social accounts. We'll go in here, we have our content. This is going to be our caption. So we can go in and choose what we want our content to be. So we can go ahead and say, we'll say, yeah. And then we can add in an emoji if we want to. So I like to add the house emoji right here. And then we can add our media. Now you do have to upload from your computer. A great option for this is to go to canva.kw.com. You would sign in with the same logins you use for Command. And you can create graphics. You can use KW templates. And you can go in and create those however you'd like. So we have, I think that's an Instagram story here. Let's see here. We can go in. If I was just going to see if we had one already created that we can use. We can go over. We can just create one, and we can say social post right here. So that would just be a blank template. We can go over to templates right here. This will allow you to look through all templates, not just KW templates. And your KW templates will live under brand templates up here. So we can go in here. I'm going to go brand templates and we'll go with an Instagram post. And then we can go in and we can grab an image. So I'm just going to go with this one right here. I'm going to use this brand template. And then I'm just going to download it as is. Obviously, you would want to fill this out and use it, but I'm going to go ahead and click share and I'll click download. I'll download it as a PNG image. I'll just download it and we'll get back over to Command once that finishes downloading. So we'll go over, there we go. And now I can just drag and drop it directly from my downloads on my browser. It'll have us crop the image. So we'll click crop and it will populate right here. And then you can go in, we can include the ownership statement and or DBA logo. It is already on this template, so I'm just going to leave them as is. And then we can schedule our post. We can schedule it for August 1st. That's when it's going to post tomorrow. Publish it immediately. Whatever our option is, I'm going to go ahead and we would just click schedule a post. It'll have you review it. You can see what it would look like on each of the platforms. We would just go ahead and click schedule post. And now it is scheduled for Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter or X. And so we would see that tomorrow. It would post to all of them and we would be all set. If you have any questions or if you run into any snags with any of this, please feel free to reach out to us via email. Our email is support@scottleroymarketing.com and we are always here to help out. Hope you have a fantastic rest of your day.